Hello everyone, I am Yusuf from ACELL English Language Learning. In this video we will learn something very important. We will learn about the gerund. What is the gerund? Okay, sometimes when we add ing to the base form of the verb, it tends to be a verb in the progressive tenses or continuous tenses, or it can be an adjective, and sometimes it can be a noun. So sometimes we use it differently. In this video, we will learn how to use this form as a noun. Alright? Are you ready? Let's go. I will not be talking about how to add ing to the verb because I talked about in previous videos. Now, let's see how to use it. Alright? So we call it a gerund. A gerund is a noun, so the first thing, I can use it as a subject, which goes before the verb. For example, when you say that this movie is good, or the book is good. Now the book is a noun. I can say writing is good. Swimming is interesting. Studying helps me improve. So here we use it as a subject. Number two, we use it after the verb as an object. For example, if you say, I love pasta. So pasta here is a noun. Now I can use the gerund instead of pasta. For example, you say, I like writing. I like playing. I love dancing. Alright? Number three, that we can use it after this specific structure, which is verb to be and used to. And used to means here familiar with. So when you say, I'm used to staying alone, it means it's not strange to stay alone. You are familiar with staying alone. So when we have verb to be and used to, then it is followed by a gerund. We cannot say, I'm used to stay. No, I'm used to staying. Number four, again, we have a very special structure, which is the structure of look forward to. After look forward to, we use the gerund again. Look forward to means that you are eager to see something or to receive something. For example, I look forward to meeting you. I am looking forward to traveling to Greece. So, here we use the gerund after this structure, look forward to. Hopefully you found the video very useful, and I would like to see more of your comments below if you have any questions or any examples. Please do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and you can share the video if you found it useful with your friends. And thank you for your time. Goodbye.